has filed a writ petition which
No, I have followed the order
no
just
appeal,
now
no
that
appeal,
has,
madam. This order is there.
nobody has preferred appeal.
My lord, I am told, my lord, I had advised. I don't know what will happen. Well, I'm a creature of instructions.
Obviously.
আমরা তো কেউ appeal file করিনি।
Yes, 69.
Well, your lordship.
Yes, what
And
is
for
it?
the in original lead petition, I am for the private respondent 8 and 9, and here I am the applicant, your lordship. The review application was the order was for in absence of the private respondent. But lordship, my humble submission, your order was not complied till to date. April 16 April order passed. Still now the hearing was not concluded. No notice was served of the upon the private respondent. The panchayat is sitting over the matter. Even
Are you the review applicant?
review application, your lordship.
What is the review that you are
Your
seeking?
lordship, there is no construction. There is no construction on the spot, your lordship. So we have the order was passed in the absence of the private respondent, your lordship. So we are suffering. The panchayat authority is not giving permission to sanction plan as because the order is passed by your lordship. The private is the petitioner original petitioner in the petition got order from your lordship court April 16 April, still over sitting over there, and even panchayat is still sitting over there. And no hearing was concluded, your lordship. We are suffering. Private respondent are suffering, your lordship. Your lordship give a direction to conclude your lordship order. That will be the sufficient, your lordship, within the specific time. And April.
What is your name? Paresh Ghosh, Sushanta Ghosh?
Private respondent 8 and 9 in the original lead petition.
Paresh Ghosh received the application.
Your lordship received, but the advocate conducted advocate who engaged for the original lead petition was not present at the time of hearing.
So the court will wait. The court is not going to wait, isn't it? Why will the order be recalled or reviewed? Tell me any ground for reviewing the order?
Your lordship, there is no construction. Your lordship, original order may be final, maybe implement, your lordship. That is my humble submission, your lordship. Original order may be implemented.
The writ petitioner is not coming forward for implementation.
No,
it is
no.
you who have come forward for review.
Because we are suffering, your lordship, private respondent, because there is no construction. Writ petitioner filed a writ petition and got an order, and panchayat authority not concluded the hearing.
You filed fresh writ petition. Why have you come up with the?
But review petition file, your lordship.
For why? For what reason? Please come.
There is no construction at all, your lordship.
The application is at the instance of the private respondents in the writ petition, seeking review of the order passed by the court.
Your lordship, no photo of the
On
construction was
16th of April 2024. Stop. It appears that the writ petition was disposed of upon hearing the petitioner and the state respondents. Stop. None appeared on behalf of the private respondents despite service. Stop. The affidavit of service is with the records. Stop. Paragraph. What is the ground for review?
There is no false allegation, your lordship. The petitioner, original petitioner of the writ petition made a false allegation that we are making construction over there. But the panchayat authority given report, your lordship, that the 2 or 3 old that is sanction, that is the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Ghar, but there is no new construction, no photo is enclosed, your lordship, in the writ petition. So my humble request, your lordship, if you give a direction to the panchayat authority, or I will communicate the order of your lordship, original order, so that hearing may be concluded, your lordship. All the person respondent, private, all the petitioner and state respondent are sitting over there still today, your lordship. We are suffering a lot, your lordship. That's why. April 2024 order was
লিখুন তো যে None represents the writ petitioners. Stop. Let notice be served upon the learned advocate representing the writ petitioners. Stop. List on 13th of March.
Get clear.
Service is taken on record.
Lordship, in this matter, I am for the petition.
What is it?
The compliance of the order of demolition. Initially, after Lordship passing of the demolition order, they have demolished part of the Lordship construction made by the private respondent. By order dated 14th of June, your Lordship, 2023, your Lordship directed the concerned municipality to Lordship demolish the rest of the portion within the Lordship period of 10 weeks. Order was communicated, Lordship, but till today, Lordship, no action, Lordship, has been taken by the Lordship, the concerned Paniati municipality. Direction was passed, if your Lordship kindly takes up the Lordship writ application.
Please come. None represents the contemptor. Stop. Let contempt rule be issued. Returnable on 20th March.
Affidavit of service, Lordship, may keep.
Yes, affidavit of service is taken on record.
Lord, I appear on your behalf. So, the affidavit of service.
Who is the contemptor?
This the contemptor is the block development of the block land and land reform officer. So, kindly come to page 15. There is a specific direction as per the report of the PLRO. So, the construction has been made on water body. So now what happened, thereafter, my lords, kindly see the order. Order passed since the construction has been made on water body. A notice has been issued by the PLRO to the person who has constructed illegal construction to remove. But till this day, not removal has been made. That's why your lordship directed to the BLRO to take appropriate step for removal of the unauthorized construction. So now kindly come to the report which has been placed before your lordships.
Where is the report?
This is the learned advocate appearing for the state's respondents obtaining the instruction from the BLRO.
The contempt did you serve?
Yes.
Let me see.
I have served, delivered. And now BLRO, after the communicating this order, is trying to correction of the record of right in person who has constructed. So that is the different issue, construction, record of right, correction.
Please come. None appears on behalf of the contemptor despite service. Contempt rule issued 20th March.
One indulgence,
Returnable.
leave may be granted. The new incumbent has come.
Then the new incumbent has to be made as party. He
No,
cannot be.
I am against the actual BLRO. He has
Yes.
deliberately violated the law.
Where is he now?
He is now posted the some Mandir Bazaar. Mathurapur Mandir Bazaar. So they are the same the subdivision.
All right.
So now the actual BLRO is required to deal with
Rule issued against contemptor against Indrajit Basu.
and now I want another.
Paragraph leave granted to the advocate on record of the petitioner to implead the present block land and land reforms officer as party in the instant contempt application and serve copy of the contempt application upon the said respondent.
The present
Very
PLRO. Get to close. Correction.
My lord,
I appear for the respondent, my lord.
my lord, this matter, this is heard by your lordship when his lordship passes an order stating that the petitioners were directed to intent as per the Javis Singh's judgment. The matter relates to a matter where the applicants were taken the delayed courses. Subsequently, there was a judgment of the Supreme Court and my lord has passes the order. My lord, now the problem arises is that they have preferred an application before the Supreme Court, and that is under a scanner. So, my lord, if you kindly keeps it after 2 weeks, because I gather the
My
instruction.
lord, may I just interrupt for a moment, my lord? The maintainability of the this review application, my lord, why they are intending to review, my lord, if your lordship kindly takes up page 5 onwards, 6. In all pages, the error apparent on the face of the record.
Nothing is there.
My lord, kindly see the order. My lord, kindly for once. On the very first page of the order, my lord,
My at that point of time, my contention was that the word intention, the petitioner's intent, but that is my only difficulty at that point of time. Now,
What? Petitioner's intention for
intended
what?
as per the
intent to act in
act as
accordance
in
with the
accordance with the
judgment passed by the Honorable. So they
Honorable
themselves vouched.
Well, only one thing, my lord. At that point of time, there was the word intent was a difficulty for me at that point of time. Now, my lord, as if the judging judgment is under scanner is reviewed also, then my lord is what has fallen from your lordship. I have to go abide by that only.
Yes. So what is the use of keeping this
But-
review pending? In any way, it will not survive.
My lord,
And my
kindly
lord has already stated
For
that
what
if
purpose?
required,
but
fresh,
only keeps it after 2 weeks. If not, I will not press it, my
my
lord.
lord, not required.
My lord.
What is the use?
But only thing is that, my lord, kindly consider the situations, my lord. If, my lord, this is if some way or the other, if it gets in otherwise, then, my lord, let me have my chance out here also.
Even then, this
My lord,
review will not
my
be
lord.
maintainable.
My lord,
My lord, in that scenario also, my lord, keeps it 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, if my lord submits, my lord rejects it.
well, kindly see page 2 of the internal page
Or
2.
matter of,
But then you have to satisfy the goat from the grounds
will, my
that
lord.
you have made out.
my lord, keeps it after 3rd of
Nothing.
March, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, passes any order of your lordship.
No.
Sweet and proper.
My lord already has
But-
given my lord the liberty to file afresh the writ petition on the self-same cause of action if so advised.
Yes, my lord. But however, my lord,
What more is required?
in fact, my lord, to be very honest, I have been led by a senior also, my lord. That is the difficulty, my lord.
So you could have said this earlier. Why
But-
make all these stories?
My lord, can I keep it,
Please
my lord?
come, learned advocate representing the review applicant seeks accommodation for a fortnight. Stop. On such prayer, list on 27th. এটাকে উপর দিকে দিয়ে দেবেন তো?
I'm grateful.
Grateful, my lord.
Grateful, Lordship.
Grateful, my lord.
Lordship, I'm led by Mr. Bishas.
You are led by
Mr. Bishas.
Mr. Biswas. He's not here.
No, he's here. Lordship, he's in court number 9.
Let him
Lordship-
remain in court
Lordship,
number wherever
kindly,
he
Lordship.
is.
Kind. Grateful, Lordship.
My lord, I am for the petitioner.
Which
It is
item?
complied with, my lord.
73. Yes.
73, my lord.
Order complied.
I am placing that. My lord has directed, my lord, in the page 24, the writ petition, page 24, my lord.
It is not complied, my lord. So far, no steps has been taken.
No steps taken.
Yes, my
My lord
lord.
reads the order.
My lord, in the last occasion on March 2022, the order was passed by your lordship directing the
And ঠিক আছে, please come.
My lord may seize the order.
Yes, Peruse.
Representation to be considered. If any unauthorized construction is found, then we have to take steps in accordance with the law. That has been done. Hearing has been done.
Report
Self-demolition
filed
order has
by
been passed.
The
Demolition
assistant
order has been passed
engineer,
and demolition is fixed.
Building Department, Howrah Municipal Corporation, signed on 10th of February 2025.
A new
Stop.
cause of action is there.
It appears therefrom that a demolition order has been passed and the demolition process has been fixed on 27th of February
That may not be
2025.
given in the order.
Stop. Which police station?
Police station is probably is not being made a party. He is not made a party.
The Commissioner of Police, Howrah Police Commissionerate,
Let that be there.
is directed to provide adequate police protection to the men and agents of the Howrah Municipal Corporation at the time of
Demolition.
the demolition process. The contempt application is made returnable on 27th of March 2025. A progress report of the demolition work along with photographs shall be filed before this court on the adjourned date.
It is complained that no order has been complied with.
Let us see.
Hearing has been done.
All right.
Self-demolition notice issued.
I didn't get
Yes,
any
next.
instructions.
And they have not got any instruction that they says now.
Grateful, lordship.
Lord 74, my lord, I am for the applicant, my lord. And
I am
for the lordship direction, my lord.
Complied?
No.
No.
Similar matter, my lord.
Why
Partly
has this
complied.
not been
Yes,
complied?
my lordship, kindly see.
Partly complied.
Yes.
My lord,
partly
we have
complied.
sent the
Lordship, kindly
papers.
see the order, my lord, page 20, my lord.
দেখি কি আছে?
20 of my application.
Well, the problem is DADLB is creating a problem, my lord.
Page
We
20.
have sent the papers, we have
Page 20 of my
sanctioned the
contempt
ad hoc pension.
Ad hoc pension will not
Yes,
do.
My
only
lord,
the.
our
Lordship, kindly
part,
see the
my lord,
order,
as per your lordship direction, we have sent the service book. Lordship, kindly see, my lord.
Lordship, kindly see, my lord.
Part by part, we have sanctioned the pension and
My lord, there was a direction, my lord.
just a minute, sir. My lord, the DADLB has returned the service file. And the container must be there in the DADLB, my lord. He is creating the problem. All service file we have sent and they have returned this file. We are not the sanctioning authority, my lord. He has made a party. Is the contempt petition? Last পাতাটা আছে লাস্ট পাতাতে একটা জেরক্স করিনি
Did you
Uh,
receive salary from the municipality?
Yes.
At which scale?
My lord, up to 2010, my lord, I have received, my lord, entire scale. Up to 2010 with all the benefits. And after 2010, my lord, on and from April, my lord, 2010, they are paying the, my lord, fixed salary. I don't know, my lord, why. And
The
in that three matters, my lord, similar matters, similar conditions.
The reason mentioned is that you are working in an unsanctioned post. You are an unsanctioned employee.
In those two matters, my lord, they also, my lord, stated same thing. 53, 54 and 55.
Do they stand in
And
the same
pursuant to the
footing?
My lord, in the light of the order, my lord, passed by just, my
Problem
lord,
is this, my lord.
Sapon Chatterjee, lord, kindly remember, my lord,
My lord,
went
the
up to the
this
Supreme Court,
director
this
of
order has
local
been.
bodies has to be made a contempt, my lord. He is creating all these problems. Even we send the service book for sanctioning all these things, my lord, they have returned this, can you see, on 29 July 2024, they have returned the file. Well, he must be included as
My
a
lord,
contempt
similar
server.
issue, my lord,
Because after, on that matter
some
also,
employees, they are getting the.
sir, after in the,
I am aware. You have complied the order in others. Why will you not comply in
I
favor
am
of this
submitting,
petitioner?
because of this fact, we have sent the service book to sanction all these things, my lord. They have returned this file, my lord. He has to make included as a party container in this contempt petition, but otherwise, municipality has nothing to do. In other 4 matters also, I have submitted before your lordship. My landed pen did not made a party contemner.
Now this matter also you do it in the same way as you have done in the others.
No, my lord. After making a container as a party, they have complied with this order. They have sanctioned this amount. In that matter also, my landed pen has had a party with your lordship's lips. And here he is not a party, my lord. That is the main thing. Our staff has gone to and handed over the service file, they have returned it.
They will return because you are not maintaining documents, you are not sanctioning
No,
it,
we
you
have
are not
submitted all the
upon-
documents. Kindly see, part by part, we have sent, my lord. Kindly see. I have handed over you to your
আসুন
lordship,
তো
my
দেখি।
lord. We have already sanctioned the provisional pension in respect of our part, my lord. But problem is creating by the deputy director of local bodies.
The DLB is not a party in the writ
Yes,
also.
Yes,
because,
my
my
lord.
lord, because there is a letter, my lord, I have annexed in the writ petition. In the year 2018, my lord, DLB addressed a letter to the chairman, no approval is required. So this is where, my lord, he is not made a party. In the similar way, my lord, in that.
It will become difficult. In the other matter, the DLB was present,
Yes,
learned
yes.
advocate was also present,
Advocate
That's
also.
true, my lord.
right?
That's
If
true.
the party, the learned advocate is there, it is easy to
It will be solved, my lord.
proceed with the matter. But here, there is a order, you can challenge this in a fresh proceeding.
Yes.
Otherwise, my lord, in those three
Because in
matters,
the
my lord,
writ,
my lord was pleased to, my lord, direct me, my lord, leave was granted, my lord, to add the DLB as party, my lord. The lordship kindly.
I could have done so, provided DLB was a
Yes.
party in the writ.
Yes, in the writ petition, no, my lord, in those three matters, my lord, DLB was not party.
No.
Yes,
Petition-
no. In
How can it?
মিথ্যেও তো বলবো নাকি? In those three matters, my lord, DLB was not party.
Please check up.
Yes, my lord, I know, my lord. In those three matters, my lord, DLB was not party. Accordingly, my lord, in the contempt proceedings, my lord, leave was granted to me, my lord. Accordingly, my lord, DLB was the party. And here, the DPPG is the party.
DPPG will not solve the problem.
Yes.
It is the DLB who has to pass
Those
necessary
three matters,
orders.
my lord, similar matters, my lord, where my lord, DLB was not party. Because, my lord, why I am submitting this?
I will check up. You
Yes,
come
yes,
next
my lord.
week. না না রিটে পাঠিয়ে
Your lordship, my lord, allows me, my lord, next day
সেটাই
I
তো বলছি ফাইলটা আছে দেখ
bring the
1 মিনিট সেই জন্যই বলছি এটা নট
next day I shall three matters, my lord, the writ petition.
আই
Where,
উইল চেক আপ
yes,
একটু দেখে নেবেন তো
হ্যাঁ?
হ্যাঁ
Two
হ্যাঁ
attendants.
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ।
my lord, 50,
যেটা দেখলেন ওটা
53
দেখবেন
to
তো রিটেতে ডিএলবি পার্টি আছে
yes,
কিনা
53, 54, 55.
রাইট রাইট নেক্সট ডে আই এম মেকিং ইট অনলি নট টুডে
My lord, in fact, my lord, next Thursday, my lord, I will come, my lord.
very well the following 27th let the matter stand adjourned the matter stands adjourned till 27th of April 2025 April now February 2025
My lord, affidavit service be kept on.
yes yes affidavit of service is taken on record
53.
One of the documents which I have submitted may be kept on.
the document submitted by the learned advocate representing the municipality be also retained with the records
না না নেই ওটাতে আছে কিনা যে সেটা দেখে নিন। Because my lord, actually my lord, DLB my lord wrote a letter to the chairman.
whatever hey ডাকুন
My lord, item number 97, 98, my lord.
My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
কি হচ্ছে
First time.
98 what has happened
My lord, we have complied the order. I communicate the order to the Mr. Ronald Gotakota, the petitioner. He told me he is on the online, my lord. His order has been complied, my lord.
no till the petitioner comes up and says that the order has been complied it cannot be disposed of
My lord.
My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
97, 98.
First time, my lord, order dated 11th April 2023.
3rd of April serve notice
For the, my lord, returnable?
3rd of April
Part of it. Most of it.
no
For the petitioner, my lord. This first time, my lord.
আচ্ছা 179 none appears for the petitioner on repeated occasions dismissed for default
And the order dated 15/12/2023.
180
180, my lord. First time, my lord.
yes serve
Date. Hard April. March হলো, my lord.
Lordship appear for the petitioner lordship এই প্রদীপ নতুন কন্টেম্পট কি করে এর মাঝখানে ঢুকে যাবে বলুন তো মেনশন তো হয়েছে কন্টেম্পট the time of call on repeated occasions, adjourn for the day. Next day, if nobody is there, then it can be dismissed. 179. 180 order passed, 181 order passed.
181, Your Lordship, I'm appearing.
Yes, for the first time it is appearing.
Lordship, it is
Please
appearing
serve
for the
notice.
first time. Lordship is directing the matter returnable.
3rd of April.
Heard of.
My lord, I have instructions to appear on behalf of
Heard of
KMC,
it.
my lord.
Prior to notice
Grateful,
being
my
served,
The
writ petition number is there.
petition number is there and the
Have you
cause list.
complied?
My lord, I do not have that instruction at present. I
Then
received
you
this-
only appeared seeing the writ petition number. No, let notice be served.
My lord, as your lordship.
181.
181.
181, Your Lordship, it is upon the KMC.
Whoever the contemptor is,
It is the first appearance I have to serve. Grateful, my lord.
none appears.
Lord, I'm for the petitioner. There's a contempt application appearing for the first time.
Please serve.
Lord,
3rd of
I have
April.
lost the brief, Lord, due to chamber shifting. If Lord, I can obtain a certified copy so
Who
that
is
I can.
stopping
Lord,
you? You make application.
Very well, Lord.
এমনিতেই অর্ডার হলে তো ফাইল চলে যাবে তো যাবে না let him make an application. Yes,
I'm grateful, Lord.
none appears.
My lord, I beg to appear for the petitioner first time appearing.
Yes, please serve.
I'm appearing for the petitioner, Lord, first time contempt.
27.
For the first time, matter is appearing, Your Lordship.
190. 191.
191, Lordship, I am present on behalf of the petitioner, led by Mr. Umar Farooq Ghazi. Lordship, the petitioner filed a writ petition on writ petition being the number 17314
I can see
2023.
it from the list, the writ petition number. You are not required to mention.
Oh.
Is it appearing for the first time?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, please.
Lordship, the judgment was given on.
No, I am aware of it.
Yes, Lordship,
I'm
the
aware.
representation was.
I am aware. I am aware of everything.
192, I am for the petitioner, for first time.
Yes.
Returnable date, my lord. 3rd April.
92 এর সাথেই তো 193 রয়েছে 192 এর সাথেই তো 193 রয়েছে $194.
Lordship, appearing for the first time for the petitioner. Lordship.
Yes.
195, my lord, I'm for the petitioner led by Mr. Pankaj Halder. This is appearing for the first time, my lord.
Yes.
Only one indulgence, my lord. This is South Chobbish Pargona contempt. If my lord returnable date can be, my lord, come a little forward, my lord.
Why?
No, we can service in the meantime, my lord.
But
Because it will take, my lord,
the
2-3 days.
business of the court will not permit. Please,
yeah,
sir.
very well, my lord. And I am just taking indulgence.
And I have for the petitioner, my lord, this is appearing for the first time.
Yes. 197. হলো তো
May I permit to mention a matter, Lordship?
190 199. 100. 101.
Your Lordship, I'm for the petitioner, contempt application appearing for the first time, my lord.
Grateful. One hundred two. 103. 100.
My lord, 203, my lord, I'm for the petitioner. My lord, Mr. Haldar is on his legs, my lord. I'm seeking for not today, my lord.
Adjourned on the prayer of the learned advocate for the petitioner.
Grateful to
203.
your lordship. Yes, my lord.
203.
203, my lord.
Bilash Mondal
Vilas Mondal, my lord.
with 204. Pradeep. Ranojit Mondal with 200.
Lots. 104.
This
is for the first time.
Yes.
My senior is looking at what to say. I just this was first.
So 203 must be a different matter. Check up the writ petition number is not there. All right. The writ petition number is not there in Bilash. Kodhai. One and five. 106. 107. 108. 109.
Hello, first time, my lord.
Lordship, I'm appearing for the petitioner. Lordship, appearing for the first time.
Let it first time, man. Returnable call.
3rd of April, it is returnable. Please serve notice. This is the last matter.
First time there is a direction of to frame a policy decision in CCL for CCL of the male employees. This is a crucial time for my child. The scheme is framed within time that
Which item? 227. এখানে কি লেখা রয়েছে চেম্বারে ফাইল আছে এতে 227 লেখা আছে CH serve notice. It is returnable on 13th of March.
220 and 21 urgencies is pensionary benefit matter, your lordship's direction.
220, 221, serve 13th of March.
Get 220 and 221. একসঙ্গে আছে 220 and 221.
220?
20 and 21 both.
220 and there, he's there.
Yes, madam. 20 and 21. The contractor that I received the copy. Has not been admitted, but
You have served copy?
Abandon precaution, sir.
No,
I do
this
not-
is not done.
Then that could not have.
Anyway, what is your submission?
the order has already been contacted.
Complied. এই এটাকে প্রিপোন করুন।
No, I have, yes.
220, 221 আজকে 13 তারিখ তো keep it on পরের দিন উপরে দিয়ে দেবে? Very well. Next date will appear at the top next Thursday.
Let them file a
Come for
compliance
the
report.
compliance report.
Yes.
No. একটা তাহলে order লিখুন প্রদীপ। Learned advocate representing the contemptor submits that the order of the court has been complied with. Stop. Let a compliance report be filed, be prepared and circulated by 20th. List the matter on 27th.
Much obliged. Grateful to you.
But nine,
Compliance done.
You have complied it.
Affirmation and all this matter, I need at least 10 days time.
25th. From 20th to 25th, it will appear on 27th.
my lord, in 97 and 98, my lord, Mr. Gotakura, the petitioner advocate, is online.
My lord, order has been complied with. Order was modified by the Honorable Division Bench, and the Division Bench's order has been complied with.
In 97 and 98, both matter.
Only
Lordship,
97
no,
and
both, my lord. My lord, Division Bench modified my lord's order, and Division Bench's order has been complied with by the respondent municipality.
97 and 98 একটু order লিখে নেবেন তো। It has been submitted by the learned advocate representing the respective parties that the order passed by the court has been complied with. Stop.
Lordship, as modified by the Division Bench.
Listen, I do not know modification or not. I am not seeing it.
My lord directed
Comply.
10% plus 3% interest. Division
Yes.
Bench said no 3%, only 10%. That 10% has been paid. That is the only.
ঠিক আছে, as modified by the honorable division bench.
My lord.
Contempt disposed.
My lord. Much obliged.
Grateful.
So many matters cannot be taken up in one day. Please come next week. My lord, item number 230. Please come next week. My lord, kind.
Next week.